Hi there, Rodney Barnes, realtor with my home group. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's episode, I'm going to cover 3 items that are going to help you as a seller get the most amount of money in the least amount of time with the best terms. Those key elements are price, condition of the home, and marketing. Combined, they can help you as a seller go from being listed to sold. And that's the goal. We want to get your home sold. So how do we do this? Stay tuned for my next upcoming videos that are going to cover details on the best pricing strategies, how to prepare your home for today's market, and marketing materials that'll help you as a seller stand above the rest. But in the meantime, if you do have questions or if you would like information, feel free, call me direct at 623-217-7548 or message me on Facebook, Rodney Barnes, AZ Realtor. Thank you so much, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.